As an employer, we have a responsibility to create a better everyday life.
IKEA!
This award is something of pride for us. We're very proud. It shows us that we're on the right direction. As an employer, we have a responsibility to create a better everyday life for our customers and our co-workers. We strive to create a second home together. Our vision is humanistic, holistic, based upon our values, and that creates our culture, which is the compass for everything that we do, all of the decisions that we make to bring both business objectives and people together. When we go into work is a place that we can try new things and we can be ourselves. Our culture and our values relate to everybody, and especially the new generation when we talk about a sustainable view on doing business and how we care for the planet and care for people. So we have a very comprehensive benefits package. It's suitable for everybody of all ages, of all stages of life. We have paternity and maternity leave, which is well over the legal requirement, and that also includes for adoption as well. We have things like family care leave. If you need to take care of your family for any reason, that you can do that. All of this is based upon our vision and our culture and values. That's how we look at it.
3, 2, 1